would like to some ways to detox your lungs naturally. If you want to know the ways to detox your lungs naturally, then do watch the video till end, and if you are new, then subscribe our channel Medico's Lifeline, like the video and click the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. So without wasting the time, let's get into the video. 8 ways to detox your lungs naturally. Every day your lungs are exposed to harmful pollution and microbes in some ways on the others. And in case you are a smoker, your lungs will get black with the deposition of tar in it. As such, regular detoxification of the lungs is extremely important for expulsion of the toxins. So here are 8 simple ways to detox your lungs naturally. Stop smoking. First thing first, stop smoking and go cold turkey. You can not detox lungs if you keep draining the puff of smoke every now and then. Get rid of dairy products. To detox your lungs, get rid of all sorts of dairy products from your routine. Doing this will help your body remove all toxins during the lungs clean. Lemon juice. Add lemon juice in a warm water and drink it every morning. Doing this can also help you cleanse your lungs. Drink carrot juice. If you drink at least 300 ml of carrot juice between breakfast and lunch, it will keep in detoxing the lungs. Ginger. The goodness of ginger goes much beyond just adrak wali chai. You can consume raw ginger or have ginger tea. You can also take ginger powder beds, which will make your body sweat and remove toxins. Swear by the antioxidants. Having pineapple before going to bed can help fight bacteria in the lungs. The antioxidants in pineapple can greatly purify your lungs. Take hot shower. A 20 minutes hot bath every day can help in removing toxins. A 20 minutes hot bath every day can help in removing toxins. You can also inhale steam to purify your lungs. Breathe in, breathe out. Practice keep breathing. Exercise for 30 minutes every day. Doing this will help in flushing out the impurity and toxins from the lungs. Isn't this quite simple? This October to make healthy lungs month lets us practice these tips and lifestyle habits regularly and get healthy lungs.